I can start now, teacher. All right. Good morning, students.
Good morning, student.
You say, good morning, teacher.
Good morning, student.
Nice
Nice
to meet
to meet
you.
you.
Again, good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Nice
One
to meet
to meet
you.
you.
Very good. How are you today?
Are you today?
You say, I'm good.
You say
I'm great.
I'm great.
I'm wonderful.
I want to fall.
Very good. Now let's sing a song. Hello, hello, hello. You remember that song? Hello, hello.
Hello,
Okay.
hello,
Hello, hello.
hello.
How are
How
you?
are you? Hello,
Hello, hello.
hello.
How
How
are
are
you?
you?
Hello,
Hello,
hello.
hello.
How are
How
you?
are you?
How are you
How are you
today? I am hungry.
today?
I am hungry.
Hungry.
I am tired. I am hungry. I am
I
I am
am hungry.
I am I'm not so good today. Hello, hello again. Hello, hello. How
Hello,
are
how are
you?
you?
Hello, hello. How are you? How are you? How are you today? I am hungry again. I am hungry. I am tired. I am hungry. I am tired. I am hungry. I am tired. I'm not so good today. Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
How you?
Very good. Hello, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Very good.
Hello,
Hello, hello.
hello, how are you?
How are you today? Very
Today.
good. How are you today?
How are you today?
Very good. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful.
I want the food.
Very good. Now,
Ăn nhiều nồi đi.
up.
Về nhá.
S for what?
And why?
Hand side what?
And why?
Hands down.
And
Very good. Again. What is this?
hands
And up.
up.
Very good. What is this?
Hands
Hands forward. Very good. What is this?
why?
Hands
Up and
sideward. Very good. What is
why?
this?
Hands down.
Hands down. Very good. All right. Now, what is this?
Raise your hand.
Raise
Raise your hand.
Very good. What is this? Show me your book. Show me your book. Okay. What is this?
Open your book.
Book. Again, what is this?
Book.
Book. Okay, now teacher will say, this is, that is. Remember this one? This is, that is. Okay, what is this? This is, that is. This is. Okay, this is a book. Very good. That is a book.
Book.
Very good. Again, this one. This is a book.
This is a book.
That is a book.
That is a book.
Very good. This is.
It is
That is. Okay, very good. What is this?
what is
This is a book. Very good. What is this?
that is empty.
That is a book. Very good.
That's
That
a book.
is. Okay. That this.
Is a book. That's
Very
it.
good. All right. What is this again?
That is a book.
Very good. That is a book. This one.
A book.
Very good. This is a book. All right. Now, what do you call this one?
Open your book.
Very good. Open your book. What about this one?
Close your book.
Close your book. Very good. Okay. Now, let's review our English lesson yesterday. Great. Do you remember what is this?
No.
Nose. Very good. This one?
Hand.
Hand. This one? Mouth. And this one?
Eye.
Eyes. Very good. This one?
Ear.
Okay, very good. Now, mouth is for mouth. What if, how about this one? What is this? Tongue. Again, what is this? Tongue. Tongue. Very good. Okay, now. Right. Do you see the screen? Look at the screen. Do you see the screen? Okay. Do you see the screen? Yes. All right. Now, okay. Now, you say I can taste
Open your mouth.
with my tongue. Tongue. What is this again?
Open your mouth.
Tongue. Very good. Tongue is for taste. Again, taste. Tongue, taste. Very good. Nose, smell. Nose, smell. Very good. Ears, hear. Very good. Eyes, see. Very good. Hand, touch. Now, teacher will say, taste, you say tongue. Okay. Taste, tongue. Okay, you do like this. Teacher, taste, tongue, smell, nose, hear, see, eyes, hand. Okay? Example. Taste, Very good. Smell. Nose. Very good. Ear. Ear. Very good. Teeth. Eyes. Very good. Touch. Hand. Very good. Now, teacher will do this one. Teacher will say tongue. You say taste. Sample. Tongue. Taste. Nose. Smell. Ear. Eyes. See. Touch. Hand. Touch. Right? Okay. So, tongue. Taste. Again. Tongue. Taste. Nose. Smell. Very good. Ear. Ear. Very good. Eyes.
ไม่เห็นหน้ามันอ่าน
Hand. Touch. Very good. Now. Okay. Now I smell flowers. Smell flowers. Very good. What scent do you hear? Smell. Smell. Okay. What sense do you use? Smell. Very good. Next. I see butterfly. I see butterflies. What sense do you use? See. Again. What sense do you use? See. Now, I hear a bird sing. The birds singing. What sense do you use? Hear. What sense do you use? Very good. Now, I taste strawberries. I taste the strawberries. Very good. Now, what sense do you use? What sense do you use? Taste. Again, what sense do you use? Taste. Very good. Now, I feel the sunshine. Again, I feel the sunshine. What sense do you use? What is this?
ประมาณหน่อย
Feel. Very good. Again, what sense do you use?
อีตูดอ่ะ Feel.
Feel. Very good. Now, I see
สี
เป็นปาก
a nest.
อันนั้น
Again, I
อา
see
สี
a nest.
อันนี้
Very good. What sense do you use?
สี
See. Very good. Again, what sense? See. Very good. All right. Now, I
อา
hear the frog
ฟอ
talking. Again,
ดูไม่ถึงนะ
I
ดูไม่ถึงนะ
อา
hear
ฮี
the frog
ลา
croaking.
อาบา
What sense do you hear? What sense do you use? อันนี้อะไร
เฮีย
Hear. Again, hear.
เฮีย
What sense do you use?
ก็เป็นนี่บอก
Hear. Very good. Okay.
อะไร
Look
กั
at
ด
here.
หน่อย
Okay. Which of the following do you see on the screen? On the screen. Which one do you see on the screen?
นาทีสุดท้าย
Ring.
เนี่ยอยู่
Okay. Is this? Which of the following do you see on the screen? Is this following that you see on the screen?
โน
No. Very good. Do you see Santa on the screen?
โน
No. Do you see caterpillar on the screen? Yes. Very good. Okay, now. Okay. Look at the picture. What do you see?
จุดที่อยู่อายุสิบ
It's raining.
กิ
Again,
นแล้วเลยอ่ะ
raining. Again, raining.
เอ๊ะ
Right. Now,
เอ๊ะบอกเลย
taste the rain. No, we can taste the rain. Very good. Can you touch the rain? No. Can you touch the rain? Yes, very good. Can you hear the rain? Yes, very good. Now, can you smell the rain? No, very good. Now, can you see the rain? Yes, we can see the rain. Very good. All right. Let's and now let's sing a song.
ไม่อยู่คนรู้ไม่หายใจนะก็ถึงตรงนี้
All right. Let's sing a song about five senses. Okay, do you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Okay. You see the screen? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay, okay, very good. All right. Now let's sing a song. I can taste with my, I can taste with my tongue. I can taste with my tongue. Very good. I can smell with my nose. Again, I can smell with my nose. Very good. I can hear with my ear. Now, I can see with my eyes. Very good. I can touch with my hand. Very good. Now, let's sing a song about five senses. Again, five senses. Okay, let's sing. All right. I can taste with my tongue. I can taste with my tongue. Ready? Sing. I I can taste with my tongue. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my I can see with my eyes. I can touch with my I have five senses. Again, I can taste with my tongue. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can see with my eyes. I can touch with my hand. I have five senses. Again, I can taste with my tongue. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can see with my eyes. I can touch with my hand. I have five senses. I have five senses. Again, last one. I can taste with my tongue. I can smell with my nose. I can hear with my ears. I can see with my eyes. I can touch with my hands. I have five senses. Again, I have five senses. Very good. What are the five senses?
A
tongue, smell, nose, hear, hear, see, eyes, touch, hands. Very good. All right, now do you do you see this one? Can you see this one? You can see? Yes, okay, very good. Now you say I can smell with my, what is this? I can smell with my nose. Very good. I can taste with my tongue. Very good. I can touch my hands. Very good. I can hear here. Very good. I can hear with my eyes. Okay, very good. Now you do like this. I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. Very good. I can hear with my ear. Very good again. I can hear with my ear. Very good. I can touch my hands. Very good. I can taste with my tongue. Very good. I can smell with my nose. Very good. I smell with my nose. I can taste with my tongue. I can touch with my hand. I can hear with my ear. Very good. I can see with my eyes. Very good. Okay. Now all right. Okay. Now,
ถ้ามันไม่มีมันก็จะหนึ่งครั้งใช่ไหมไหนอะเมื่อกี้เราไม่ได้พอหรือว่าไอ้ปลามันเข้าห้องน้ำเป็น
can
ที่
you see the screen?
มึงต้องถูกประตูทำเหมือนประตูบ้าง
Do you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Before we start our lesson this morning, our lesson is entitled Farm Animals. Farm Animals. And their farms. Again, farms, animals, and their sounds. Again, farm, animals, and their
And who?
sounds.
Oh.
All right. Okay, but before that, we sing a song. Roll your hands. You remember?
ทุกคนดูนะ
Roll
คะ
your hands. Clap your hands. All right.
What did you do?
Now, clap your hands. Clap your hands. As slowly, as slow, as slow as can be. Clap your hands like me, like me. Then clap your hands like me. Clap your hands again. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. As slowly, as slowly as can be. Then clap your hands like me, like me. Then clap your hands like me. Roll your hands. Roll your hands. Roll your hands. As slowly, as slowly, as slowly as can be. Then roll your hands like me, like me. Then roll your hands like me again. Roll your hands. Roll your hands. As slowly, as slowly, as slowly as can be. Then roll your hands like me, like me. Then roll your hands like me. Okay, very good. Put your hand on your chest like this. All right. Okay. Smile. All right. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Farm animals and their This is a farmer. Again, farmer. Okay, let's spell the word farmer. Farmer. This is a farmer. Very good. And the farmer said, hello. Welcome to the farm. Would you like to come and meet animals? Again. Would you like to come and meet the animals? You say
You say
yes. to come. Very good. Now, okay, let's see the first. Okay, let's see the first animals. What is this? Sheep. Very good again. Sheep. Now, let's spell the word sheep. S, S, A, E, E, T. Sheep. Very good. Now, the sheep says ba. Again, the sheep says ba. Okay, now let's hear the sound of a sheep. Do you hear the sound? Again. Ba. Wait for a while. Do you hear the sound? Ba. Again. Ba. A sheep says ba. Ba. Very good. Now, can you can you ba like sheep? Ba. Again. Ba. Okay. What is the sound of the sheep? Ba. All right. Next, what animal is this? Pig. Very good. Now, let's spell the word pig. P I G. Pig. Very good. Now, a pig says oink. Very good. Now, let's hear the word oink. You hear? Oink. Oink. Okay. Oink. Now, can you oink like a pig? Very good. Oink. All right. Now, what is the sound of a pig? Oink. Very good. All right. Now, what animal is this? Horse. Very good. Again, horse. Now, let's spell the word horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Very good. Now, a horse and snake. Yes, a horse says neigh. Neigh. Okay, now let's hear the sound of a horse. Neigh. Neigh. Here again. Very good. Now, can you neigh like a horse? Neigh. Again. Neigh. Very good. What is the sound of a horse? Neigh. Very good. All right. Now, let's proceed to the next animal. What animal is that? Chicken. Very good. Now, let's spell the word chicken. Chicken. Now, chicken, a chicken says cluck. Again, a chicken says cluck. Okay, now let's hear the word. Let's hear the sound of a chicken. Do you hear? Again. Again. Very good. Okay. Now, can you clap like chicken? Very good. Very good. Yay. All right. Now, let's proceed to the next animal. What animal is this? What animal is this?
Donkey.
Donkey. Very good again. Donkey. Very good. Now let's spell the word donkey. Donkey. Very good. Now, a donkey. A donkey says again, you speak. A donkey says very good. Now, let's listen. The sound of donkey. Very good. Now, can you Hee-ho, like donkey. Very good. Hee-ho, hee-ho. Very good. Alright. Now, what animal is this? Goose. Again, goose. Very good. Now, let's spell the word goose. G O O S E. Goose. Very good. A goose say again. A goose say honk. Very good. Now, let's hear the sound of a goose. Honk, 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 honk. Now, let's talk about duck. Quack, quack, goose says honk, 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 honk. Now, can you honk like goose? Honk, honk, honk. Very good. Alright. Now, what animal is this? Dog. Again? Dog. Very good. Now, let's spell the word dog. D O G. Dog. A dog says woof. Okay, now let's hear the actual sound of dog. Again. Very good. Now, can you both like a dog? Very good. Alright. Now, what animal? Yes? Duck. Very good. Again? Duck. Now, let's spell the word duck. D U C K. Duck. Okay, very good. Now, a duck says Very good. Okay, now let's very good. Okay, now can you clap like that? Very good. Very good. Now, what animal is cow? Very good. Again, cow. What is the sound of a cow? Next, alright, let's hear the sound of a cow. Moo. Very good. Now, can you moo like a cow? Very good. Now, let's review everything. What is sound of what is this? Sheep. What is the sound of a sheep? Ba. Next, ba. What is the sound of a pig? Very good. What is this? What is this? Horse. What is the sound of a horse? Very good. Again, what is this? What is this? Chicken. What is the sound of a chicken? Very good. Now, what is this? What animal is this? Dandy. Okay, very good. Now, what animal is this? Again? The sound of moose? All right. What animal is this? Now, this one, what animal is this? Duck. What is the sound of the duck? Very good. Now, what animal is this? Cow. What is the sound of the cow? Okay, very good. Now, let's listen to the sound of the animal. Kembali sekarang. Mas Animal. Again. Goose. Alright. Who's next? Again. Okay, next.
Buana.
Use so many.